So hi everyone, this is Gauri at Study Wing. In this video, what we are going to do is the discussion about UPSC Topper 2019. That what was his strategy, how to cover the syllabus, what mistakes he advised not to do that he faced during the preparation, and at last we will see the book list he advised for the preparation of UPSC. तो जैसे हम सबको पता है कि अभी हाल ही में यूपीएससी 2019 का रिजल्ट आया है एंड द टॉपर वाज प्रदीप सिंह। तो उन्होंने अपनी कुछ इंटरव्यूज में अपने बारे में बताया उन्होंने किस तरह से अपनी प्रिपरेशन की। उन्होंने बताया था ये उनका 4th अटेम्प्ट था। इससे पहले वो 3 अटेम्प्ट दे चुके थे, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, दैट इज फर्स्ट 2 अटेम्प्ट्स में ही कैन नॉट क्लियर द प्रीलिम्स, बट इन द 3rd अटेम्प्ट he moved forward and he scored the rank around 260, and this was his 4th attempt in which he got the first rank. After the failure in first 2 attempts, he felt so demotivated and he decided not to carry it on. But after this, he get the motivation from his family, friends, and he tried again. He says in an interview that anyone can learn at their homes. Now these days, there are many online videos or the video lectures available for the students to learn at different platforms like YouTube. And yeah, it's very true. There are many videos on each topic on the YouTube. Now, if I talk about the strategy he advised, or I can say he used for the preparation of UPSC, he said focus on the basic concepts. Application based questions are very important. Revise frequently the previous syllabus, that will help you to memorize everything and grow your memorizing power. Next was, he said test series plays a very important role for anything. It let us know the problems we are facing while the examination. It helps us to know are we accurate with what we are learning? Are we able to complete the work in the given particular time? Basically, it helps us to pre-analyze our performance that we are going to do in the examination. The next thing he said is, all the 3 stages of UPSC are very different. We cannot compare them to each other. We have to prepare them separately. According to him, go for the current affairs more and more for the prelims exam, for the factual portion too. For the mains exam, go more for the writing section, and for the interview, go for the current affairs general knowledge questions. Now if I talk about what he said for the syllabus, he said this syllabus is too wide and the bucket of information is available here and there, that the student is so much confused that what to do and what not to do. So the main point he said to remember is less is more. मतलब अगर आप कम पढ़ते हो और उतने को ही अच्छे से पढ़ते हो तो वो ज्यादा बेटर है ज्यादा पढ़ने से। अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ते रहते हो लेकिन वो आपके माइंड में सेट नहीं हो रहा है, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो इससे अच्छा है आप कम पढ़ो लेकिन अच्छा पढ़ो। प्रिपेयर योर नोट्स, कनेक्ट विद द करंट अफेयर्स and be clear to the point. Now, if I talk about the mistake, which he said the biggest mistake the students did, and he also did in his earlier attempts, and not to do again is, he said, due to the time given in prelims examination preparation, you lag in the mains exam. होता क्या है, प्रीलिम्स के 3 से 4 महीने के बाद ही मेंस का एग्जाम होता है, तो उसमें प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी के साथ साथ हम सोचते हैं हमारी मेंस की तैयारी भी पूरी हो गई, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। Our main focus should be the writing section for mains exam. हमें करना क्या है, focus more on writing section. Yes, the important is writing section. Focus it more and more. Now, if we see the book list he provided for the preparation of UPSC, or I can say he used for the preparation of his UPSC examination.
Let's start with prelims. History. For ancient history, R.S. Sharma. For medieval history, Satish Chandra. For modern history, Spectrum. These are the books for history portion. For geography, Mahesh Kumar Varnwal. For economics, Ramesh Singh. Polity, he advised M. Lakshmikant. Entertainment and Ecology, S.K. Oja. And for the current affairs, the three things are important, that is magazine, newspaper and TV channel. For the magazine, he used Vision IAS, newspaper he used was The Hindu, and the TV channel was he used to see the debates in the morning and in the evening of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now let's see for the mains exam. मेंस एग्जाम में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है एसे. ही यूज टू प्रिपेयर एसे विथ सेल्फ स्टडी. व्हाट ही यूज टू डू इज he took a topic from previous year papers and syllabus and write a essay on it. For the GS paper 1, ancient history was same R.S. Sharma, medieval history Satish Chandra, modern history Spectrum, world history Gian and Mathur and Norman Lowe, geography Mahesh Kumar Vanwal. GS2 के लिए पॉलिटी M. Lakshmikant, international relations from internet resources. GS3 economics Ramesh Singh, entertainment and ecology S.K. Oja, internal security Ashok Kumar and Vipul Anakant. जैव विविधता बायोडाइवर्सिटी के लिए सिलवंत सिंह एंड कृति रस्तोगी. GS4 ethics के लिए he used the book named Lexion and also the notes provided in the market, and for the case studies he took the notes for the preparation. And for the qualifying papers, the basic things he told is for English language you need to prepare with 10th class English grammar, and the other language he chose was Hindi. For that he used 10th class Hindi grammar.
So this was all about the strategy of UPSC Topper 2019. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.